This is a quick Zoom tutorial for teachers. If you want to change the way your name is displayed on the screen, click on Participants. Then find your name, click on More, and choose Rename. Right now, my name is displayed as Miss Sugihara. I want to change it to Miss S, so I'm going to type in Miss S, click Rename, and that's how you change your name. Here's a pro tip for teachers. In order for students to change their name, click on Security and make sure that you select the feature called Rename Themselves. If you don't want your students to change their name, you need to unselect this feature. Also, you can change your settings here. For example, you can enable or disable chat.